Volatility is the stock market's new normal. No matter where the economy goes, Wall Street is entering a prolonged period of chaos. Things got started in Asia last week. We saw the Nikkei index fall by as much as 12.4%. The trembling then spread across the pond to the US. We saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average close down more than 1,000 points, while the tech stock heavy Nasdaq tanked by 3.4%, and the S&P 500 sank 3%. In the days that followed, the market jumped or fell with each piece of information. So now I want to analyze the S&P 500 index, and we are on the daily chart, and I'm just marking up some daily levels of interest. We have daily sellers at 55.50, and we also have daily buyers at 51.10. As you can see from the highs that was established back in July, prices are off roughly 10% since hitting the daily buy level. We have what is a quick V-shape recovery. I say quick because this happened in less than a week, and we've roughly had a 40-50% pullback. Prices are now trading in the middle between daily sellers and daily buyers. And typically when you're in the middle, you have to expect a lot of chop. Again, the extremes, you have daily buyers drastically outweighing the sellers, which is why we had price stop going down and starting moving up. And this daily sellers level was a great opportunity to short on this setup, where we had a trend line break, which meant momentum was waning. We had a candle close, some basing candles, and then a gap down and a pullback to fill the smart money's unfilled sell orders before the drastic decline that we saw 2 weeks ago. Now, where's price heading next? This is a key level. This is the 200-day moving average, which sits roughly above the $5,000 level, round hole psychological number. If we scroll down to the 4-hour chart, you can see more candles. You can see price did close that gap, and then the next gap is at 54.40. However, we do have some resistance, which was support at about 53.92. However, one thing to note, there's really nothing stopping price from closing and hitting this 54.44 if we get the candle closes above the $5,400 level. Now on the way up, we had two 4-hour buy levels. That one worked out to the T. And right now we have another one taking shape. Whether it holds or not is another story. Again, you are in the middle, and so you have to expect a lot of chop. But potentially here's the setup in the morning. Obviously, if you are in from the lows or got in after the lows. Look to take them off the table at the daily sellers level at 55.50. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.